Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today is officially Cyber Week. Some of these sales that we're going to be going over ends today, but some continue throughout the entire week here. So if you're doing laser shopping, you're in the right area. I'm going to just show you some quick highlights because you can do research on your own on the websites if you want to. But I'm going to show you some quick highlights and recommendations from each company. We're going to be talking about all 6 companies in this situation. So first up, we got Xtool. You can scroll through their site, see how much is off of each one on your own. A couple things that I wanted to highlight real quick is they are doing some giveaway options, and then they're also doing a buy one, get one free on materials right now. So check that out. The other thing that you want to check out is what type of laser that you want to get. So the ones that I recommend right now, you have the brand new lasers that just came out. This is their discount deal on like the new F2 that is out. Like it says, they only have 4 left in stock is what it's stating here. The new UV laser looks pretty cool for like glass and that type of thing. So if you're into that, you can definitely get that one here. The 2 main things that I wanted to highlight here is the Xtool P2S is on a big discount right now. I think they're trying to sell those since they just came out with the new P3. The new P3 is pretty awesome, but it has a big price tag, even with the sale going on. So if you want something that is still comparable and still does a really great job, I do recommend this P2S here. So I just wanted to highlight that. They also have the F2 Ultra on sale. I personally have the F1 Ultra and it is awesome. I really recommend this machine. If you want to get even more power, you can do this machine here. It's just got a bigger price tag here. They also have the metal welder on sale as well. So if you're looking into doing actual metal cutting, you can check that out too. So next up we have WeCreate here. So WeCreate has different options. So they have like a combo option where you can get the Pro and the Lumos together. I've never seen them do a bundle before. I'll put a link in the description that'll show you a page that'll show you every single thing that they have on sale at the same time. It's kind of hard to get to that page, but I'll put a link to it. But essentially, you can go through on your own and see the sales that are going on. But if you want to get 2 lasers at the same time, you can get them both at the same time with the packages here. But another alternative that I wanted to point out for you guys is if you get the Lumos and the 20-watt Vision at the same time, you can get this really cheap here. You can get, for the cost of just the Vision Pro itself is about $2,100. If you get the Vision 20-watt and the Lumos together on the current sale, you can get them both for $2,300 if you check out with them both on in the cart. So that way you have a backup laser. A lot of people who are just getting into laser engraving don't have a backup laser. So whenever their laser goes down, then they're upset because they're out those orders. So this is a good beneficial way to have the ability to do something large and something small and have a backup laser at the same time for about the same cost as the Vision Pro. And the 20 watt will do the same stuff as the Vision Pro. It'll just take extra passes or a little bit longer to engrave certain features. So that's something I wanted to highlight. Next up, we're going to look at Atom Stack here. And on Atom Stack, there's something interesting that I wanted to point out here. Is if you go to their Laser Engravers and you can view all Laser Engravers, you can see all of their current deals through here with their current Laser Engravers, like the current pricing, except for the Atom Stack Hurricane. Some reason that's not showing up on this page, but if you go up to the search option here and you type in Hurricane, it'll pull up the actual laser engraver here. So we'll click on that and you can see this is a rather large discount. So I don't know if this is just a special deal or why it's not showing up under their all laser engravers category. But a lot of people may miss this on the laser engraving deals for Cyber Week here. So this is about $3,000 for a 55 watt laser. It's a pretty good deal. This laser is huge though, so make sure you have a large enough area that you can place this on. It's at least 30 inches deep that you'll need a table on, so keep that in mind. Next up we have Longer. So Longer has an interesting deal here where they're just coming out with their new UV printer here. This thing looks awesome. I also recommend like their Nano Dual here. So if you're interested in that, you can do this. This is a great little portable laser here. But this UV printer is probably going to be the standout highlight here, in my opinion. If you guys are looking into getting into UV printing, this is a pretty cheap, affordable option here. Next up, we have Laser Pecker here. The one thing that I wanted to really highlight was the new Laser Pecker LX2. This thing is kind of like the S1 from X-Tool, where you can swap out the different heads. It just has like a larger like area with the riser base all built in there. So this is a new feature or a new laser that just came out from Laser Pecker. The other one that I would recommend is the LP4. I actually like the LP4 a little bit better than the LP5 in my opinion. It just works better as a mobile device in my situation. But the LP5 will have that 20-watt fiber in it. So if you need a fiber laser, definitely get the LP5. It's still a good choice there. But those are just the three that I wanted to highlight there. And last but not least, we have Glowforge. This is their sale that's going on. They're including like a filter with the purchase of like the Pro HD and the Aura. I think the Pro HD is $1,000 cheaper than what it normally is, but I haven't kept tabs on the pricing on that. But the Aura, as you can see, is about half off or 60% off there. But the last thing I want to point out with Glowforge is they are having 60% off on most proof grade materials for Cyber Monday only. So check that out. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Hopefully I kept this as short and sweet and to the point as possible for you guys. And I'll put some links to all of this information down below.